This is David, Master Generator Technician, and today we're going to talk about EDC tools for electricians. That's everyday carry tools for electricians that work on ships, power plants, and oil rigs. Working on a large site poses a big challenge for electricians because you have to always be thinking about what tools you want to carry with you. Do I carry a big bag of tools? And if I do carry the big bag of tools, every time I want to make a quick pit stop, I'm going to dump the bag of tools somewhere. And if you have a big site, you might forget where you leave the tools from time to time. Okay, so what I have here is a miniature electrician's tool set that I carry with me all the time, and you could do the same if you so desire. So the first thing up is my Fluke 101 multimeter. Now you see it's about the size of my palm, and it's the smallest Fluke out there. Okay, and it does you can measure AC volts. It's a 600 volt meter. You could measure volts AC, volts DC, millivolts AC, resistance, diode checker, and capacitance. You have frequency, and you also have duty cycle. All right, so Fluke are my most trusted brand. Next up is the volt alert. This is the Fluke 2AC volt alert stick. It works from 90 to 1000 volts AC, and it has a battery checker here. So basically you put this against the wire, and when there's live current in the wire, it will turn red. All right, it will do like this. So obviously you will be just holding it like this. Okay, that's the volt alert. Then I have the PocketMax from Screwdriver, where you get 4 bits, screw bits, and let me demonstrate here. You take them out, put them there like that, and it works really well. And that's a PocketMax 1000 volt screwdriver. Okay. Next up is the Wearer Cyclop pocket set, and this is a super versatile ratchet set. So again, in the handle you have the selection of bits that you want to put in there. I've actually changed out the bits that came with this set and put my own selection of bits in here. Okay, so you can actually put the bit in the end there and use it as a ratchet screwdriver, or a nut driver for that matter. Okay, one thing that I do with this tool is I use a universal socket with it, so I can put these together. There's a lock here, and I can have a socket set right there. Okay. One of the things I like about the universal socket is that it really works. You could put any nut, put it over any size nut, and it just works. Amazing invention. Okay, so the next thing I carry is 1 amp, 2 amp, 5 amp MCB for doing tests on circuits. And with that, I'm taking 1 meter of 1.5 mil cable and 5 of these Wago connectors. Okay, if you're not familiar with Wagos, you just open it, you strip the wire back, you put it into the Wago, and you just clamp it down. Okay, and you could join 3 wires together there. So it's an amazing amazing invention. Okay, next up are my Electrician Scissors. Scissors are pretty amazing, very sturdy, very good for shaving wires. Show you that properly now. So you could just put that in the Wago like that. Okay, so there's the wire. I've got 5 Wagos with me and my Electrician Scissors. So when I'm carrying this one, I'm not carrying any wire strippers or other wire cutters like that. Then there's the mini Nipex pliers. The number here is 8701125. 125 means 125 millimeters from here to here. And I like these because they have this lock right here that locks them in. Nipex. Okay, so then there is a Leatherman Wave. Leatherman, as you know, has some of the best tools on their multi-tools. Okay, so then there is an Beam H16. It's a 90-degree light. Okay, this has a magnetic base, so you can stick it pretty much anywhere. It also has a clip to go in your pocket or on the bird beak of your cap, your baseball cap. Okay, then we have the headlamp from Petzel. So this lamp pretty much just comes out like this here. You have different options. So the reason I choose the Petzel is because you can't turn it on by mistake. It's not push button. You can't. A lot of time we find that we go for our light and it's dead because it was on in our tool bag in our pocket. So it's just a headlamp that goes around your head. Real simple, real small. Okay, then we have one of my favorites is the Flare 1. The Flare 1 is an infrared camera, and it is absolutely amazing. You just slip this thing in under your mobile phone, and you have yourself a proper infrared camera. Okay, so here's my phone right here, and literally you just drop it in. You install the app Flare 1 from the Play Store, and it pretty much works immediately. So I've used several flare guns in my career, and I gotta tell you that this one is absolutely amazing. Okay, so I've had the big handheld machines, and this it's pretty good. Okay, so that's the baby flare. It comes with a case, and you know, as it's delicate, I'm going to keep it in that case. So then we have white electrical tape, small bundle of cable ties, a marker pen, and then there is the backhoe 20mm adjustable wrench. Okay, so with this I can do a lot. Okay, so with the Fluke, there was also the Fluke leads, and I think I forgot to mention that on the back of the meter was the Fluke magnet. Okay, so Fluke magnet, if you've not had one before, they are very strong. Okay, so the only thing left to talk about is the bag. So I'm just using a regular old foldable backpack. See there? But this one comes with good straps. So I could throw all this equipment in here, and the weight is minimal. Okay, so that's it for today. This has been the EDC Tools selection for electricians that work on power plants, ships, and oil rigs. Catch you in the next one.